So let us move on to the next property. The next we are going to learn of the same properties under multiplication. It means when we are doing the multiplication of the whole number, what are the properties that are holding the same thing? So first one again the same is closure property, commutative and associative. All these are same here also. So the closure property is saying that as similar with the addition, when we are multiplying two numbers, we are getting a number which is also a whole number. When we are multiplying two whole numbers, and the number we will get, that will be a whole number. Like suppose we are taking a as 2 and b as 3. So when we multiply these two, the answer we will get is 6. Now here we can see that when we are multiplying two whole number, we are getting a number that is also a whole number. So we can say that closure property under multiplication is holding in the case of whole numbers. Then we have commutative property. Commutative property is saying that while doing the multiplication of two whole numbers, if we are changing the order of the numbers, it will not affect the result. Like a multiply b, and if you are changing the order of number b into a, it will not change the result. Like 2 into 3, and if you are changing the order 3 into 2, it will give us 6 and 6. Means the answer will not get changed. It means what is commutative property? According to commutative property, if we are changing the order of the number while doing the multiplication, it will not change our result. The third is associative property. Associative property means if we are multiplying more than two numbers, but like if we are changing the association, means suppose first we are doing the multiplication of this, and here we will do the multiplication of this first. Let us take the numbers 2, 3 and 4. Here we are multiplying 2 and 3 first, and this side we will multiply 3 and 4 first. So let us see what happens. 2, 3 is 6, and now with the 4, 6 4 is 24. On another side, if we are multiplying 3 4 first, 3 4 is 12, finally 2 12 is 24. Answer is same. It means changing the association of the number while doing the multiplication, the result will not get changed. Same as you seen here. So we can say that closure property, commutative property and associative property holds while doing the multiplication in the case of whole numbers. Now we have multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity says that what number should we multiply in a whole number so that we will get the number again. Like while doing the addition, when we were learning about additive identity, what number should we add in the number so that we'll get the number again. So we'll write 0 there. 0 is called the additive identity. But here we have to find out a number. What number should we multiply in A so that we'll get the number A again. So it is 1. So that is why 1 is known as the additive identity. 1 is a number. If we multiply in any number, we'll get the number again. Like 2. 2, what will multiply into so that we'll get the 2 again? It is 1. So 1 is an multiplicative identity. Now the fifth is multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means what number should we multiply in a number so that we will get 1. So always here we have the number inverse. Inverse says that inverse is equal to the reciprocal. Reciprocal means just we have to change the numerator with the denominator and denominator with the numerator. Means here always we have to write the reciprocal of the given number. Reciprocal of the, as you know that A means A upon 1, and the reciprocal of A upon 1 will be 1 upon A. So we have to write here 1 upon A. So whenever A and A will be cancelled out, 1 1 and 1 1 1 will get. So this is called the multiplicative inverse. Whatever the number given to you, suppose they had given us 1 upon 2 and they are asking about what number should we add in 1 upon, what number should we multiply in 1 upon 2 so that we will get 1. So we have to do the reciprocal of this one. So as we know that the reciprocal of 1 upon 2 is 2 upon 1, and we can write 2 upon 1 as 2. So here we have to write 2 and we'll get the 1 here. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2 and 1 1s are 1. So whenever the question will come, find the multiplicative inverse of any number, just do the reciprocal of that number and that will be your answer. So all these properties we have learned in the case of multiplication of whole numbers. Thank you.